Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. We're at Bill Thomas Camper Sales, Wentzville, Missouri. This is a 2027 Airstream Range Line. And I'll list the, as far as the engine, that information below, but really a nice setup with that pop-up camper on top. Let's get inside and I'll show you what we're talking about. And the MSRP is $176. This just came in, it's at $146.9, so $147,000 out the door. Here's the passenger seat, the driver's seat, and both of these chairs will swivel, do a, I was about to say 360, but I guess it'll really do a 180, maybe a 190. And then this table will fold out across, and then you have this kitchen setup. But what you're really wondering about, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you, is this pop-up top that is right here. So as I put the camera up, plenty of room to sleep, and that'd be pretty darn cool. And speaking of cool, you have an exhaust fan, hot air rises, but you've got these sides so you can let the cool air in or the warm air out, and then enjoy the nice comforts of sleeping on a solid mattress when you're out traveling. So this would be a cool setup. Traveling down the highway, pull into a park, national forest, and go ahead and pop the top and pop a couple tops of barley pop too. Microwave oven, refrigerator, freezer, and then we look right at the bathroom. So you got a commode, and then you have a wand to shower off with, and you've got your toilet paper cupboard, which is nice. You'll forget that one time and you probably will never do it again. You have cabinets above. So this is your spring for your mattress. This folds out across, and then here's your mattress. And so you have storage below, and then you can fold that out, and then this is your bedding, your HVAC here on the top. You have additional storage and plenty of storage around all of these cabinets. Here we have cubbies down here, and just a lot of storage. And then I also want to show you your JBL, and the sound of these little JBL is pretty impressive. Little cubbies here, your sink, more drawers. So again, the 2027 Dodge Ram Airstream Range Line. It is a Range Line, and it has the pop top. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper Sales. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Catch you on the next video.